Expand your reach and boost sales by connecting your Shopify store to Amazon. Begin by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. Locate and click on the App section within the navigation menu on the left. In the Shopify App Store, enter Amazon into the search bar. You'll find several integration options. The Shopify Amazon Sales Channel is a recommended choice for seamless integration. Click on the Shopify Amazon Sales Channel app on its page. Review the details and then click the Add App button to proceed. A confirmation screen will appear detailing the permissions the app requires. Review these and click Install App to authorize the connection. After installation, follow the on-screen prompts. This usually involves agreeing to Amazon's terms and selecting your target Amazon marketplace. Next, you'll need to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first to link your stores. Choose which of your Shopify products you wish to list on Amazon. You can select individual products or opt to list all of them. Map your Shopify product data to Amazon's requirements. This might involve matching SKUs or entering existing Amazon standard identification numbers as SINs. Enable inventory synchronization to keep your stock levels consistent across both platforms, preventing overselling and ensuring accurate stock counts. Configure your order management. You can usually set up automatic importing of Amazon orders directly into your Shopify admin for streamlined fulfillment. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is now integrated with Amazon, opening up a vast customer base. Start selling today.